Hey everyone, this is Sagar Wagh and I am here to compare composite pattern with decorator pattern. If you have not seen my previous videos on composite and decorator pattern, please do watch them before you continue this video. And for others, let's start the comparison. Now, if you recall the example from composite pattern video, we had an interface I file which was implemented by different set of files like video, document and picture. We also had a folder which was supposed to be a collection of all the set of files and even nested folders, overall forming a tree structure of all these folders and files. Now to support the requirement to calculate the size of any file or any folder within this structure, we implemented composite pattern in such a way where every file and every folder started acting in the same way, because folder also implemented the same iFile interface as that of the files. Also, if you recall the example of decorator pattern where we had an interface iFoodMaker implemented by a FoodMaker, and we had a requirement to produce an additional sound. For that, we created VoiceFoodMaker as a decorator, implementing the same iFoodMaker interface. For both of these patterns, we implemented the same interface as that of the existing entity. Does that mean both of these patterns are same? Well, definitely they are not. There are key differences that clearly distinguishes them from each other. We are going to see both similarities as well as differences for these two patterns. So stay with me till the end of this video. To start with the similarities, the first common thing between these two patterns is the structure that they form. They form a wrapper over an existing entity. The second common thing is about the syntax that they follow. In both of the cases, a wrapper entity is created that implements the same interface as that of the inner entity class. And in both of these cases, consumer can directly access both wrapper entity as well as the entity that has been wrapped. Not like a proxy pattern, which only allows to access the proxy entity and not the original existing entity. Hope you understand the similarities. Now let's take a look at the differences between these two patterns. The first key difference is the formation. In case of decorator pattern, it forms a decorator or a container which contains an existing entity reference. So like in our case, we had a FoodMaker and then it was decorated by VoiceFoodMaker. VoiceFoodMaker internally consumes FoodMaker and does some extra operations on top of it. In case of composite pattern, it forms a tree structure where every node inside a tree can be either a container of entities or it could be an entity itself. And from the consumer point of view, composite pattern ensures that every node acts as the same node, no matter whether it is a container or an entity itself. So like in our case, we had a folder structure where a folder can have nested folders or it can have actual files. And to calculate the size, consumer doesn't need to bother about if it is a folder or if it is a size. It just invokes the same operation on every node of the tree to get the size. The second key difference is about the intention behind using design pattern. So like in case of decorator pattern, the intention is to wrap an existing entity so as to add new functionalities on top of it without modifying the underlying structure. Whereas in composite pattern, the intention is to form a wrapper over multiple entities and to make that wrapper act as one of the entity itself so that consumer doesn't need to bother about which is an entity and which is a container. And the third difference is about the instantiation technique of these patterns. A decorator pattern can itself instantiate the original object, or it can let consumer instantiate the object and then decorate it. So for example, we can hardcode food maker inside voice food maker so that whenever a voice food maker is sold, it will always go with the food maker. But there could be another flavor where instead of hardcoding food maker, we can let voice food maker accept any kind of food maker so that a consumer can say, for example, create a voice food maker with food maker, or it can create a voice food maker with, say, advanced food maker, and then it can decide which one to sell based on the requirement. Now, if we talk about composite pattern, it creates a wrapper which is purely a container collecting multiple set of objects. In this instantiation technique, it is equally same as decorator pattern, where it allows the consumers to instantiate multiple entities and then add it to the container. Having said that, composite pattern totally controls the way these entities are internally organized. For example, a consumer can set files like videos, pictures, documents inside a container, that is a folder. But how these files are stored or structured internally is totally a decision of a folder. Now let's take a pen and paper and note down whatever we have learned so far. First point. Both decorator and composite pattern shares the same syntactical implementation. That is, they implement the same interface as that of the inner entities that they wrap. Secondly, decorator pattern is meant to create a wrapper over an existing entity so as to add additional functionalities without modifying the internal structure. Whereas composite pattern is meant to wrap multiple set of entities and make that wrapper behave the same way as that of the inner entities. As a third point, both decorator and composite pattern allows to consume wrapper as well as inner entity. And the last one, decorator has a wrapper having a single inner entity, whereas composite pattern can have a wrapper having multiple set of entities forming a tree structure. Well, I think I covered most of the similarities and differences for these two patterns and hope this was helpful. This is Sagarwal to cover design concepts in as simple way as possible. Hope Optimus Growth Channel helps you to grow and let you grow the others. Please subscribe for all upcoming videos and do share them with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.